This is how you can set up automations for your course in system.io. So once someone buys your course from your sales funnel, they get access to your course straight away on autopilot. So here is how to do it. So once you are in your system.io account, you need to come into websites and then sales funnel, and then you need to select the funnel for your course. In my case, it is the first one. By the way, I'm not going through how to actually build a funnel because this video is going to be completely focused on the automation part. But if you want to have a free course funnel template, you can get access to it by clicking on the link in the description. I have put it the link there, and you can download a free template and you can use it for your course. And now let's get back to the video. So you need to click order form, and then you need to scroll down and you need to find digital product, and then you need to click this. So once you click digital product, you need to select a product here. I don't have any at the moment, so I need to create one. So I will just click here, and then you need to name the product. So in my case, I'm gonna name it, you can actually name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna write course, and then for the resource, I'm just gonna select tags, and then I need to choose a tag which is course. Now you might not see anything here if you don't have any tag created. At the end of the video, I will show you how to create a tag, so just keep watching. And then for the price plan, you need to click plus, and then you need to select the price plan here. I don't have any price plan created yet, so I need to create one. So I will just click create a new plan, and then I'm gonna write here. So in here we need to write something that will be displayed on the order form. So I'm just gonna write the name of the course. So the name of my course is customer journey. I'm hoping that I'm writing good spelling, right spelling. Yes, no. So now it is. And then in here, it is something that will be showed on our system.io dashboard. So I'm just putting the name of the customer journey as well, like my course. And then this is something that will be shown on to the bank statement of your customers. So I'm just writing customer journey here as well. And then you need to select the price plan type here. Is it one-time payment, is it subscription, or a payment plan? For me, I'm just going with one-time payment, and then you need to add the price here. I'm just writing 50 USD, and then you click save, and then you click save again. Now we have done uh, at least half of the part of the automations, and other half we are going to do into the workflows. Now you need to come here in the workflows, and you need to create a workflow. So I'm just gonna write a name for the workflow, so course workflow, and then I'm just gonna go into the workflow. So this is something that you will see once you get into a workflow for the first time. Now in here you need to set a trigger. The trigger is gonna be the new sale. So let's search for the new sale. Here it is. And then in here, you need to select the funnel for your course, which is this one. And then you need to select the page or step where you are taking the payment. In my case, it is order form. And then you need to click create. And now you need to click plus icon. Now you can do either add an action, a decision, or a delay. So I'm gonna add a decision in here, right? And decision is gonna be, I'm gonna check if my customer has been tagged with the course tag that I added earlier. So I just need to check that. And then I'm gonna select the tag which is course, so tag, contact tag with course, right? And then you need to click create. And now this condition has been created. So if this is true, then we want to do an action which is to give them access to the course. Now you need to click enroll in a course. I'm just going a bit too quick, I believe. So enroll in a course, and then your course, you might see many different names here if you have many different courses. So you need to select the one that you want to give access to. And then in here, you want to select the type of access. Is it full access, deep, or partial access? I'm just going with full access now. After this, you can do many different things, right? You can send an intro email, or you can subscribe your customers to an email campaign. So you can just click on action, and you can choose action here. Like you can send them an intro email. So I will just go and click send an email, and then which email. If you don't have any email here, you can click here to create a new one, but I do have one here, so I will just choose, and then it is being added as well. And now you can continue, and depending on what you want, what is the goal that you want to achieve, you can keep building your workflow. You can subscribe to them to an email campaign, or you can add them to a different tag, or anything that makes sense for you and your goal. You can do that, and then once you have done that, you just need to click exit here. And once you have clicked exit, now you need to do one thing here, which is very, very important. You need to activate your workflow. You can do it before even creating the workflow. That is completely up to you. I forgot to do it before, so I'm just doing it now. Now this has been activated, and here we go. The our automation is done. So once someone buys your course, they will get tagged by using this method, and then they will get to the workflow and they will follow the steps of the workflow. This is one of the ways to set up the automations. There are many other ways to do the same thing, to achieve the same thing, but that is the way that I feel most effective and efficient for me and I use for my clients. So yeah, you can use the same procedure and you can get the automation set up for your workflows. Now let's quickly look at how you can actually add a new tag. So in order to add a new tag, you need to come into CRM and then tags, and then you need to just create a tag here, like I will just say test, and then you need to click save. Here we go, that's being added as well. It's very, very simple. So yeah, if you get any questions or if you get any issues while adding automation for your course, just comment in the comment box, and I will respond it to you. I will respond to you as soon as possible, or send me a DM on Facebook, and I will be able to help you and with any questions you might have. So yeah, go ahead and set up the automation for your course. See you in the next one.